Hi, I'm Tommy Penny. We're in Chattanooga for the Technology Showcase and Open House. And a lot of good food with our customers and giving away good prizes, showing vendors off, just really having a good time and having fun.
My name's Harrison Hall. I'm a BTA here in the Chattanooga market, and we're getting people excited about technology and barbecue. We're having some Shuford's Banana Pudding. It's a local family place here in Chattanooga, and just showing some good technology for our clients here in the Chattanooga market.
Hey, I'm Chaz Arnold. I am Vice President of Managed IT Services for Novatech. We've got outstanding vendors and partners. Many businesses today have stopped in, net new companies that are looking to learn about technology, and current customers that are just interested in other things that Novatech does. There's a lot going on, there's food, and we are really excited to have this event here in Chattanooga, Tennessee.